Welcome to Stephen's Academic Tuition Center. This is mathematics under factors of quadratic expressions. So, for example, we have the expression ax squared plus bx plus c. So this expression, in fact, we call it a quadratic expression. So we need to take note, or we need to know the coefficient for a, b, and c as a coefficient. So the coefficient of x squared here is our a. So x squared, as you can see, x squared is a. Then the coefficient of x is b, and c is a constant. So don't forget, c is, as you can see, it has got no value for x or any variable. It is x. So the coefficient of constant is c here. Then the coefficient of x is b. The coefficient of x squared is a. So when you just see the expression in form of this, we call it a quadratic expression. So for example, we have question number 1, which says, question 1, factorize each of the following quadratic expression. So when factorizing such expression, you need to follow the following steps. Number 1, this is our a, our b, and our c. So the first stage, you multiply this times this. So you multiply a times e times c. So in this situation, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2. So our a here, our a is 1. There's 1 here. So multiply this 1 times 2. 1 times 2, you say, you put the number multiplication, which is the product. The product is equal to, so you multiply 1 times 2, so just write the answer here, which is 2. You don't write the values, which is 1 times 2, no. But you just put a multiplication sign here to show that we are multiplying. So 1 times 2, the answer is 2. So just need to write the answer here. Then again, here we put this a product. Okay, this as a product. The product here. Then now here, you just get the middle part, which is b, as our sum. So this will be our sum here, sum. So our sum in this case is 3. So we put 3 here. First stage, you find the product. So you multiply 1 times 2, which is a times c. You write the answer here. Then number 2, the second stage, you get the sum, which is the middle part, which is b. So our b will be our sum, which is 3. So you just get the coefficient. Don't get the value, example like x, y, or whatever. You just get the coefficient, which is 3, 1, or 2. So now we look for two numbers. When you multiply these two numbers, you get 2, and when you add the same two numbers, you get 3. So which two numbers, when you multiply them, you get a 2. When you add them, you get 3.
1 and 2.
So the suggestion here that we get 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. Then again, you use the same number. In fact, numbers 1 and 2 again. 1 plus 2, 3. So these are the correct numbers. So I'm going to put these numbers 1 and 2 here. We're going to remove this part. So we maintain x squared. So this is 1. So we're going to remove this part, which is positive 3x. We're going to eliminate it and substitute with what? 1 and 2. So this is 1 now in form of x. So to be 1x. So you write plus 1x here together. Then again plus what? Plus 2, which is what? Plus 2x all together. Then plus this 2, which is at the far end there, plus 2, like this. So as you can see, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you pair them in pair of 2. So 1, 2 here, you do like this. Again, 1, 2 here, you do like this. Don't forget to also include the signs. So now we factorize. What's common here?
1.
1 is common, eh? Yes. Are you sure? X common, eh? Because there's x and x here. So x common here. Good. So x into x squared
1
will remain with 1x, which is x. All together. Then this plus here. Then again x into x there remain with what? 1. So when multiply this, what x times x is x squared. Again, x times 1 to be 1x altogether, same as x sign. Then again, we go to this end. So automatically positive is what? It's common positive here altogether. What's common here? 2. So 2 it can go into 2x and 2. So 2 is common, so write 2 here. Then remain with what here? X plus 2 into 2 is x. 2 into 2 again is 1. So as you can see, the part which is inside the bracket are equal, which means we are very much correct. So the parts which is which is in the bracket supposed to be equal. So now we get this part which is x plus 2. Since we have 2 equal parts, so just interesting to get 1. So we'll get x plus 1 as this will be our final answer. Yeah?
Yes.
So even here we do the same. The first stage you multiply. As you can see, this one is well arranged. There's x squared minus 7x plus 10. So we have x squared with 1x without x, which means it's well arranged in this form, in ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we need to do again here, we multiply now here. So we can say product. So if one can just say product here and the sum here together, do like this. So this is the product. This is sum. So look for 2 numbers. So you multiply. Which number is here?
1.
1 times 10.
10.
So the answer here. Okay. So let me do this. So 10 here is our product 10. Good. Then our sum, we get which number? The middle number together, which is
7.
This is not 7. So make sure you also consider the negative. So to be negative 7 as our sum. This is our sum, product altogether. Good. So you multiply 1 times 10 is 10 as a product. Then our sum is negative. We just get this the middle number, which is negative 7. Good. So now we look for 2 numbers. When you multiply these 2 numbers, when you multiply them, you get 10. When you add them, you get negative 7. So which 2 numbers are those? When you multiply them, number times the number, you get 10. When you add them, you get negative 7. What are those numbers? So in case if you fail to find the number directly, you can try to do this. You can try to identify the factors for 10. Right? What are the factors for 10?
1
was 1, 2, 5, and 10 itself, right?
Yes.
Then what are the factors for 7? For 7, we have 1 and 7, right? So it means the numbers are just within this range. So now which 2 numbers will multiply them get 10?
2 and 5.
2 and 5, right? Yes. So 2 times 5, so which means you can put 2 times 5 again 2. So which means
1 should be negative.
Are you sure? Because when you put a negative here to be negative times positive, you get a negative, which is wrong because here there's positive here. So it means both numbers need to be negative. So what we'll say negative 2, negative 5, negative 2, negative 5. We try. Negative 2 times negative 5, the answer is positive 10. Negative 2, negative 5, the same sign, you add and maintain the same sign, so to be negative 7. So these numbers are very much correct. Right, together. So now we're going to get these 2 numbers and put them here, between here. Right, together? Yes. Good. So we'll start with x squared. So you can start with any number you want. So minus 2x, again minus 5x. Out together? Then since this part is substituted, I removed. So you get plus 10. Out together? So now we're going to group them. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Here together? Yes. What's common here? X. Is x. So x common, so put x then x minus 2. What's common here?
5.
5. But if there's negative here, so to get a negative as a common factor as well. So to be negative 5 altogether.
Yes.
Then we remain with 5. Negative and negative, positive. So remain with x here together.
Yes.
Negative and positive,
Negative.
5 into 10 is 2. As we can see there, the inside part is icon, which means we're very much correct, right?
Yes.
So now we get x, this x minus 5, and also x minus 2 as a final answer. Clear?
Yes.
Good. Then go to the next question again. Then again, we find the product, right?
Yes.
So the product
is 8 times.
and the sum, right? So, which means you multiply. These are product and sum. So, you multiply 8 times negative 15. 8 times negative 15. Mind you, this paper 1, no calculator. So, can try to do this somewhere here. I mean, else it's 15 times 8. Do this. 8 times 5, 40. So, 0 remainder 4. 8 times 1, 8. Plus 4, 12. So 120. So when you multiply 8 times negative 15, the answer you get is the negative 120 as a product time. Good, like this. Because here, the sum you get the middle number, which is 2. Are together? So now we try to look for two numbers. When you multiply them, you get negative 120. When you add them, you get 2. Which number are those? Which number are those? Which numbers are those? So the two numbers. So what if we try? See, this is negative, right?
Yes.
Okay, and this is positive. So it means when adding here, we need to get positive. So it means this, the bigger number need to have positive, right?
Yes.
So it means we get. We can get the two numbers, which is 10 times 12 and 10. So which means the negative need to be on 10 here. Negative 10 plus 12. Good. Because when multiply, negative 10.
Shouldn't it be 12? Because if we do negative 10,
Negative 10 plus 12 to be positive 12.
It will give us a negative.
So to be like this.
10 is bigger than 12, is smaller than 12.
So you get the same for the bigger number. So to be 2.
Not negative 2.
So negative 10 times 12, that is what?
120.
Negative 10 plus 12,
Positive 2.
positive 2. You get the same for the bigger number, which is positive. So the numbers here are what? This and this. So you put them between here. Clear? So you say 8x to the power 2. Start with n, minus 10x, then plus 12x, then minus 15. So if you want, you can try to check. Negative 10x plus 12x, what's the answer? Negative 10x plus 12x. The answer is 2x, which is this one. Clear? So I've just expanded it. It's the same. Good. So now we group them pair of 2 to 1, 2, 1, 2 are together. Good. So here, what's common? Is 2x, eh? Then 2 into 8, so 4x minus 2 into 10, 5. Right? What's common here again? Is plus what? Plus 3. 3 can go into 12 and 15. Again, say 3 into 12, 4x minus 3 into 15, 5. As you can see, these are same, so we are very much correct. So now we get this part 2x plus 3 like this, and 4x minus 5 like this as the final answer. Clear? Question D. Question D, as again we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. So again we're going to multiply the product and the sum. Good. So the product, you multiply 1, there's 1 here. 1 times 60 is 60. The sum, the middle number, which is 5, get 5 here. Good. So we look for two numbers. When we multiply them, we get 6. When we add them, we get 5. What are those two numbers? 2 times 3, which is this 6, right? 2 plus 5, which is 2 plus 3. So we use the same number. So 2 plus 3, which is 5. So it means we're going to put these numbers again. Between here, we're going to remove this 5. So we'll say x squared plus 2x plus again 3x, then plus 6. Then we're going to group them 2, this and this, also this and this. What's common here is x. So remain with x plus 2. What's common here? Plus 3. Then again x plus listen to this 2y. So as you can see, these are equal. So we are correct. So maintain x plus 3, again x plus 2, like this as the final answer. Clear? Okay. Question F. So again, we're going to use the same procedure. So we multiply. There's 1 here. So 1 times 18. So the product is 18. The sum, you get this number, which is negative 9, equal to. Then now look for two numbers. When you multiply them, you get 18. When you add them, you get negative 9. So the numbers are negative 3 times negative 6. Then again, so negative 3 minus 6, because we need to get the same numbers. 3 here. So negative 3 times negative 6, the answer is 18. Negative 3 minus 6, the answer is negative 9. So we're going to put these numbers between here. We're going to remove this negative 9 here and replace it with the two numbers that were found. So we'll say y squared minus 3y. So we're going to make this 3y. Then minus 6y. Then plus 18. So as you can see, that in pair of 2, so this and this and this and this. So what's common here is y. So y remain with y minus 3. What's common here? Don't forget the negative. So it's negative 6, in fact. Negative 6, right? So negative and negative, positive y. So remain with y. Negative and positive, negative. Then 6 into 18, 3. So as you can see, these are equal. So it means we're going to maintain. So y minus 6 and y minus 3 as a final answer. So your exercise now will be this question and this question. These two. In fact, 3. 1, 2, 3. You can try to solve them and submit the answers for checking or for marking. Thank you very much. God bless you.